Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy coins on Metamask wallet, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metamask wallet and already logged in. And now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Metamask wallet apps on in the screen, where you can see the exchange icon at the bottom of the screen. So simply tap on that exchange icon, and now you can see buy option at the top of this section, so simply tap on that buy option, and now you'll be redirected to the amount to buy section, where you can see your account, your region. You can also change your currency by tapping on AED and add your amount as well. Let's say 100 AED. Okay, 1000. Done. And finally choose your payment method, where you can see 3 payment methods. You can choose any of them and complete your banking credentials, and finally tap on get codes, and you'll be able to buy coins successfully. So basically this is how you can buy coins on Metamask wallet app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.